Society told you that anger is a flaw. They trained you to suppress your rage, to smile through the disrespect, and to stay peaceful. What they did not tell you is that total peace makes you harmless. In the next 180 seconds, I will show you how the elite use controlled malice as a dark catalyst to fuel their empires. Picture a single drop of black ink falling into pure white water. Slow, deliberate, and then inevitable. That ink does not ask permission. It does not apologize. It simply takes over. That is not destruction. That is dominance by design. Anger is nothing but raw, concentrated energy. When you explode, you waste it. When you suppress it, it destroys you from the inside. But when you control it, it becomes a weapon. Your brain has two states at war with each other. The arousal state, primal and electric, and the executive function, cold, calculated, and precise. The 1% do not forgive and forget. They stack the disrespect. They take every doubt, every insult, every door slammed in their face, and every whispered laugh behind their back, and they burn it all inside their internal furnace. That furnace does not produce chaos. It produces an obsessive, unstoppable, unapologetic drive that ordinary men simply cannot match. They do not react. They convert. Every slight becomes fuel. Every failure becomes a blueprint. Every enemy becomes a reason to build something so undeniable that silence becomes the only rational response from those who doubted them. Next time you feel slighted, do not argue. Do not post about it. Do not leak your strategy to people who are not even worth your exhale. Use the dark pivot. Lock yourself in a room and transform that emotional fire into hyper-focused execution. Channel the rage. Rewrite the script. The man outworking everyone at midnight in a dark office is not lucky. The fighter throwing combinations into a heavy bag at 2 in the morning is not obsessed. They are converting. They are letting their dark side build the structure that their light side will one day enjoy. True dominance is a dish best served through unarguable results. Not words, not threats. Results. Let your work become the loudest thing in the room. Do not quench the fire. Control the blast. The man who masters his darkness does not need to announce his arrival. He simply walks past every critic who once counted him out, without even a glance in their direction. Subscribe to Hidden Intel. Weaponize your mind.